danna subscribe domin samun sababbin shirye-shiryen. Sannan ka danna ƙararrawar sanarwa domin sanar da kai da zarar mun.
Wannan ga su ake ce ma COVID-19 task force a Kaduna, wanda an fito kwai da kwarkwata duk wanda bai sa mask ba yau a jihar Kaduna kam ya shiga cikin lissafi. Naira 20,000 ko a moto kake sai ka biya. Saboda haka in dai baka sa mask ba yau akwai full operation. There's no excuse for anybody. You must wear the mask. This is Kaduna now. You must wear the mask. This is a full operation. Nobody can escape for this wearing mask. We are going to prevent this kind of vaccination. When we wear the mask, we should prevent vaccination. So everybody must wear the mask, more especially in Kaduna. As you can see, this is a full operation. You must wear the mask. Face mask, you must wear it. Kaduna Elrufai, Allah. You must wear the mask now. There's no excuse for anybody. One line, you must wear the mask. Oh, Allah. Kaduna Elrufai. This is the full operation for Kaduna today. Oh. As you can see, nobody can escape. They block the way. Nobody can escape. You must wear the mask or you should pay the fine. We should not allow you to go free. Kaduna